Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale budgeting processes with QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching QuickBooks and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the company menu located at the top of the screen. Select Planning and Budgeting from the drop-down options. Click on Set up Budgets to start creating a new budget. Choose the type of budget you want to create, whether it's for profit and loss or for specific departments. Next, select the fiscal year for which you want to set the budget. Click on Create to initiate your budget template. Fill in the budgeted amounts for each account in the specified fields. You can easily adjust the amounts by clicking directly into the field and entering your figures. If you want to copy amounts from a previous budget, use the Copy Previous Budget option. Review the budget summary displayed on the right side of the screen to ensure accuracy. Once you have entered all necessary budget amounts, click Save to store your new budget. To analyze your budget, navigate back to the Planning and Budgeting section. Select Budget versus Actuals to view a report comparing your budgeted figures to your actual income and expenses. Customize the report by selecting specific time frames or departments if needed. Review the generated report carefully to identify variances and areas for improvement. Utilize these insights to adjust your budgeting strategies for future periods. Continue to monitor your budget regularly within QuickBooks as your financial situation evolves. With these steps, you can effectively scale your budgeting processes using QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.